welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, location, attractions and landmark also. Find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.0, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 5. Category 6. Photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Take categories of rooms are online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various maintenance and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can use your phone